Hi! Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off app limits and screen time on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the screen time. Then in the screen time, scroll down and find the app limits, then click. Then after that, in the app limits, you will see a switch button on the right side of the app limits. Then all you have to do is just click it to turn on. When the app limits is turned on, it sets the daily time limits for app categories you want to manage. Limits reset every day at midnight. And if you want to turn off, just click again the switch button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off app limits and screen time on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!